can't monitor it from over here.
He's back there. He's waiting.
All right, come on.
This would be like such a cool place to do like a pop-up like mosh pit or something. You know, like a heavy metal concert.
You'd have to clean this up so much. I'm going to that room with that creepy swinging door. You wanna open it? I'll get the shot. Nothing cool.
The bottom place go.
I keep tripping over like big pieces of debris. Alright, let's get out of here.
You wanna walk around the building?
There's not a good way to do it. I don't think we can go to the right, can we? No. No. Over, right, straight back. Did we check that out already? We're too close to the bar. Just through that one really dark, scary place. Maybe we can cut out to the right or just straight across where the noise comes from.
Is this the scary room?
Follow the noise. That's the scary room.
We haven't been in this one.
Yeah, we did. This is the one that you were like holding me because we were over there. No? No, this is a new room?
Is it? Yeah, I think it is.
Oh boy.
With the puddle? Oh, there we are. No? I'm turning
What
around.
is this? What is this building? What is this room? Just a weird hallway.
Yep. Well,
Let's not like attract attention. If we get a response. All right, I'm gonna cut the light. That exit or that one maybe? Yeah, we're by the bar.
yeah, it's too close.
But they can't see us. Probably. We gotta get through here to get to my car. Oh, dude, it even says demo on the side of that building. Like, this will be gone soon. Those fans are still spinning.
Just because of the breeze?
Yeah. Can't see it. There's too much dark in here. I don't know how to get out of here, dude, without going back up. You want to go back through that scary room over there? Or do you want to just try to get back the way we came? That we know we can.
Yeah, let's do that.
No unnecessary risks. Looks like a door, right? The illusion of a door is you get further away from a real safe door. Did you hear that? Oh, it sounded like shuffling. You know they had full boxes of those like lights up there?
Yeah.
I really want one. If this place is gonna get demoed, obviously they aren't like gonna miss the box of lights. Back me up on that.
Oh, I never see it.
It's just like maybe it gets wet a little bit.
It's
I don't know where those other places go, but I know where this one goes. No, I don't. It's not an exit. I knew we'd get trapped. I don't see my car. I don't know where we're at.
Okay, so we have to go back to the street unless
Yeah.
unless you want to walk around the whole building and the traffic's into which I'm fine with doing at this point.
No, we came in through that way that we heard those creepy noises, right? So we go towards the creepy noises and we'll find the place.
I feel like it's straight back there in the dark way, like all the way back and left.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you
Did we go, is that the way we went up?
Ooh, be careful. Yeah, there's a slide.
It gets wet. We have to go this way. Stay close. Just watch for water on the floor.
I feel like it was all the way back and left somehow.
Alright, I'm gonna hop through this one.
Do you feel the same?
What? I don't think we walked down that creepy corridor, did we? Maybe we did. What?
Remember we were walking there pitch black for a second? I feel like it was over there.
Look at all those doors.
It's just little rooms.
It's so hard to see. Night vision is not better. Surprising. Was that an exit? Let's see if we can get out here.
That looks like the highway. Ooh, it's like the front of the building. The entrance.
The front. This isn't the way we came. Hey, gotta check out this room. I gotta look at this room, man.
Someone's been here recently.
I don't know what you call recently,
Yeah, I don't know what I call recently either. It's little water and it's not about it. Whoa. Walking too fast. Bathroom?
bathroom.
Oh, this looks nice. Looks like where we are. Oh, welcome to the warehouse.
Oh,
Fill out an application. It's pretty sick.
I feel like this was the best part right here to film, and like my battery's gonna die again. It's all smashed up through here. Not really like the way to get in.
We can get out this way.
No, the door's locked.
But
Right,
there's no
that's-
glass, Micah.
That's why it's smashed.
We can walk around.
This is the coolest place to look at. This is the office, man. Back in the day. Oh, her parents are calling me. Better go. What is this? A little courtyard?
That's it.
Not the exit.
I see though. We can go out to smash glass.
We might not have a choice.
Yeah. I want to see where the sun is.
Yeah, it's getting dark. This when the zombies come out.
Oh, they really don't know if they do or do not exist at this point. I think COVID's gonna start the zombie apocalypse.
Why do all the monsters come out at night? What about this room? What a weird place. It looks down at the warehouse. All right, let's try to get out of here.
The front door?
Front door or back
Front door.
back through the warehouse?
Not through the warehouse. Front door. All right. How fast it is? Yeah, let's see all of these.
That's the main road, dude. Like where the highway and everything is. I wouldn't want to go that way.
I understand. Oh, one step ahead of me.
Alright. We just need to figure out how to get out of
I
here.
remember it's all the way back into the left. Or the darkest spots for porn.
Okay. Then that's where we should go. Just avoid the water.
Probably turn it into a zombie.
Might, dude. Contagion. It's getting darker and mustier. Ah, shites in the einen. Just nails sticking out of that board, dude.
Yeah.
This is like a garbage pit.
You don't even check out the garbage bin.
That's the last person that broke in here, dude.
It's a Dooney & Burke.
What does that mean?
It's one of the purses I have. It has a duck on it. It's genuine leather.
So you're taking it?
No.
We might find out
Oh.
who the last person who died here was.
Where is this supposed to be?
Why is there a playhouse?
I don't know.
I have questions.
It's almost 8.
Questions that need answered. Front doors are for pussies.